Bitcoin is in a downtrend and we are waiting for the next moves. Stay until the end to see my opinion about this subject. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Before starting the video, don't forget to leave a like, a comment and a subscribe, and let's get into it. We are here on Bitcoin at $78,000, and now if we are going to the Bitcoin on the chart, we see that here we have a downtrend. We are in a downtrend on Bitcoin and I'm waiting to see the next targets on this coin. And now we have a similar trend with this one. This one we had something similar, a downtrend here. And if I'm watching the RSI right now, we see here a divergence. Here is a very good divergence to see. We see that here is a higher high and on MACD something like that, a higher high, and the price is on a lower low. And what I'm waiting to see on Bitcoin, I'm waiting to see a pump from here to this target at about $97,000. This is the next target for me. And after we hit this target, the next target we could hit is here at about $109,000. This is the next target for Bitcoin, and I think we can go to these targets very fast. I think we can go something like 2 to 3 months, something like that. We can go, and after that, the last target for Bitcoin for me will be here at $140,000 to about $150,000. This is the last target. If Bitcoin will be a very bullish in the next months, this is the target to look for. This is the target I'm looking for. And now everyone on Twitter is bearish on Bitcoin. I'm seeing that everyone is looking for this target at $38,000 to about this one at $48,000. And I don't think we can hit this target in the next months. Why? Because this is a similar trend with 2021. We had this one lower about, and after that we hit about $70,000. Here we hit $64,000. And what I'm watching right now, I'm watching to see if Bitcoin can break this resistance right here. If Bitcoin can break this resistance right here, we should go to the next targets to $140,000. And I think this is a good target because you see this one, Bitcoin goes up very fast in about 141 days, which is a good target to see on Bitcoin, and I think in the next months we could see a target like that. Let's see the Bitcoin dominance, and the Bitcoin dominance right now is consolidating. We are here at a consolidating zone, and what I'm waiting to see after we see this consolidating zone, the next targets for me will be here at 50%. This is a very good target to see for Bitcoin dominance first, and after that the targets for the end of the bull market cycle will be here at 39% to 42%. This is the target for this bull market. And what I'm waiting to see something like that to go down, consolidating, and after that, something like that. And in the end, we could see a consolidation like that, and after that, we could see again bear market. But I think we should see this thing to end the bull market cycle, because in every bull market cycle we saw this thing, we saw this Bitcoin dominance going down. Here 48%. If we see here about let's see, about 50%, and I think now we can see again these targets to be hit, to see from here about 35%, which is a very good target for me, honestly. And I think in the next months we could see this one, and I'm waiting to see, because now everyone is bearish. Everyone thinks Bitcoin is down, altcoins are very low right now, and we are in a bear market cycle. But no, we are not in a bear market cycle yet. I think we can go in a bear market cycle in the end of this year, but now we are not in a bear market cycle. And let me show you something. Let's see the USDT dominance, which is here at 7%. We see that here we have an upward trend. Yeah, it's an upward trend for dominance USDT. And if we see on RSI is on a downtrend. If we see MACD is in a downtrend. And we have a target similar with this one. We saw this thing, we saw this upward trend on bit on dominance USDT. And if you are watching RSI was going lower low here. And after that, we all know dominance USDT goes down about 36%. And I think from now USDT can go down very fast to about this target 42% to a maximum here at 3.6% and down 47%. And in the next months we could see something like that, consolidation, and after that to go down to these targets, which is very important to be hit. These targets are very important to be hit because if dominance USDT is going down, all assets are going up. And now people invest in USDT and are not likely to invest in assets. But I'm waiting to see in the next months a bullish divergence on our altcoins to see an upward trend after a long time. Let's see Solana. Solana right now is here at $103, and what I'm waiting for Solana right now, we see that in the next week Solana went down about 30%, 31%, but Solana in this bull market cycle is performing very well. I see that from bottom Solana went down to about 36,000%, and I think it's a very good target. And after we hit, we see that here is possibly a double bottom. We could see a double bottom here. And if I'm watching the RSI right now, we see that a possibly double bottom from here. MACD is in upward trend. And I think we could see from Solana the next targets. And the next target for Solana will be here at $185. And after that, the next target will be here at $255. This is the next target for Solana. And if Solana could perform very well in the next months, the last target for Solana will be here at $363. And the last target will be here at $400. But we will see in the next months if Solana could reach these targets.